What's up, YouTube? It is the Old Bayside Angler. I am here at Stramond Lake Lodge for the 2024 Stramond Lake Lodge Fishing Series. I've got some special guests here, which you're going to see throughout the videos and the introductions. I'm going to ask everybody to introduce themselves, and then the woman sitting to my right is the very special guest. She's going to talk about herself. So I'm going to go clockwise.
Okay. Tracy Hendler, aka the Hoser.
Bruce Katona, aka X2, who may win one of the contests this week, which the VA will flesh out as we go along.
Jeremy Hendler.
Okay, and we have as a very special guest the proprietor of Stramond Lake Lodge, Renee Latour. Renee, please introduce yourself.
Welcome to Stramond Lake Lodge. I'm Renee Latour. If you have any question about fishing or the accommodation, please contact me.
All right, you're going to see introductions throughout the videos because each day we're going to have two potential videos, and we have 2 GoPros, so you'll see different clips. If you like this video and series of videos, please give us a thumbs up. Always consider subscribing down below. You know the BA is up on Instagram, but we'll get to the introduction. This series of videos is sponsored by the one and only Renee Latour and Stramond Lake Lodge. What's up, YouTube? Again, you guys have seen the guys on the intro. I got Tracy on this intro again with me because he's going to talk about what Jeremy captured. You'll see some boat footage from myself and X2. You'll see some boat footage out on the lake. And as importantly, what's going to be special? What's Jeremy? What did he video that we're gonna see there, Trace?
Are you referring to fish?
No, we're referring to videography up in the air, Trace.
Oh, just scenery of the lake.
Of the lake. Coming
Yes.
from something that flies.
Yes,
what
a
could
little
that be?
different. We can't reach that high. I certainly can't.
Neither can I. But Jeremy and Trace brought their drone, and they were flying it out over the lake. Jeremy has the boats, and he got X2 and I going out this morning out to the first fishing spot. So this is a different video. There won't be a summary at the end because it's kind of cool, but it was something different. We wanted to share with you what the lake looked like, what the lodge looked like, what it is from the drone, and we went back to Indian Bay. So you'll see that passage going through Indian Bay back to another lake, which is kind of cool back there.
Oh, absolutely. It's good pike water. There's walleye back there. The whole lake has so many places to fish. It's really unbelievable. Just a matter of using the right thing at the right time and bringing them to the boat.
Absolutely. All right. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll have a short outro summary at the end. GoPro, stop recording.
The Stramond Hunting and Fishing Club is a small exclusive rights outfitter located in the Orantois region on the shores of Lac des Augustines. Stramond Lake Lodge is an outfitter with exclusive rights to 111 square kilometers of prime walleye, northern pike, and lake trout fishing. The Stramond Lake Lodge is a place to rest within the wilderness in rustic decor without compromise to your comfort and safety. It is also a guarantee of quality both in terms of the activities you participate in and its equipment. From the moment you arrive, you will feel right at home, thanks to the warm welcome of owner Renee Latour and her dedicated team. The Stramond Hunting and Fishing Club is proud to offer a unique experience of immersion in nature for its visitors. For information, you can contact Renee Latour at 514-592-0079 or via email at info@stramondlake.com. That's 514-592-0079. Or
There we go. Coming into Stramond Lodge. I'm going to have to do an overdub on this, but Coming right up to our dock. Hopefully the BA doesn't go ass over tea kettle. All right, so we're gonna go back and I'm gonna leave the camera on for a couple of minutes. We're going back into a place called Indian Bay. So you'll see the little channel that we have to go through. It is enough to float a boat. We just have to do it very, very gently. And then there's another lake back in here. We've been back here once and we didn't catch anything, but we have to be very careful. Yep. Yeah, we were here 3 years ago when it was kind of on the dry side. There's a lot more water here, but X2 still has to be very careful. You can see Jeremy and Tracy up in front of us. I'll keep the camera on and watch them navigate, and then I gotta help X2 out because we gotta be careful in here. So what are you reading here, Bruce, in terms of water? Because I could see down, but... What do you got, like 3 feet of water? Bruce, how much, 3? Or you don't know? You're just following, okay. That's okay.
2.5 maybe.
Okay.
I stuck the oar in.
All right, yeah. I didn't think there was a hole. I mean, it's enough to float, but it's...
Not as shallow as it was last time. Now we're about 4 feet. So we're shallow. They don't have any jugs yet. So we were here last time. It was like 5 out of 2 boats.
All right, on to the fishing. All right, Jeremy's going to be putting the drone up. This ought to be kind of fun. Get us some drone footage. You guys will see this as some...
Hang on. I gotta do something else now.
Let's see if Jeremy gets the drone up here. Here we go. We'll get some good scenery from Stramond. Hello!
We are at the infamous Janet's Planets where Jeremy is flying the drone.
And we'll get the drone footage and we'll put it all together so you guys can see lake view and aerial view. Hey Jeremy, can you take it down? Take it down across the milk jugs. That'll be special for your father. Well, guys, did you like that? Again, no fish on that one. It's videography, it's scenery, got some wildlife, we've got nature, we got Indian Bay, we got drone footage. So again, we are trying to make this so that Tracy, Jeremy, X2, and I can share the whole experience up here at Stramond Lake. And you know what? If you like what you see, please contact Renee Latour. She'd love to have you up when she has openings. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. GoPro, stop recording.